Okay, so you've probably filled up this whole sheet of paper, so either go to the back or a piece of notebook paper. And now we're going to, before they were expanded and we condensed, now we're going to do the opposite and we're going to write in expanded form. Okay, and we have 6 of these. So the first one is in condensed form, and it says log base 4 of 6 times y. All right, so this is what I'm looking at to determine how I expand it. I'm looking at this 6 times y. 6 times y, when I expand so that it's addition between the two factors. So it's log base 4 of 6 plus log base 4 of y, and that's it. Number 2, log base 2 of 4 over x. I'm looking at if it's quotient, product, or power, and I see I have a quotient here. That means I expand it with subtraction. I keep log base 2, I write the numerator 4, and I subtract log base 2, and I write the denominator x. Number 3, log base 10 of x to the 3rd power. All right, this is not a quotient, it is not a product, but it is a power. That means when I expand it, I am taking and putting that power out in front of log. So it becomes 3 times log base 10 of x, and that is it. All right, number 4. Okay, there's a couple things going on in this one. It's log base 5 of 3p squared. One of the things going on is the power. The second thing that is going on is it is also multiplication. So we have product and we have power. Now the thing to know is that this power is going to the p. So when I expand this out, I'm going to expand out first with the multiplication. So I have log base 5 of 3 plus, now this p squared means the 2's going in front, 2 times log base 5 of p, okay? And if it helps, you can write it as, let's go back. I'm going to rewrite it for you so you see what's going on. So then we can write log base 5 of p squared, but we're not done because of this p squared. So maybe in this final step, go ahead and put it in front. So you get log base 5 of 3 plus 2 times log base 5 of p. That way you can see it in each step. Number 5. Log base 7 of 5 times g over 9. Okay, we've got a couple things going on here. We've got multiplication in the numerator, but then we also have which is the product property, then we also have the division bar. So we're going to divide this first. We're going to divide it first, and we're going to say log base 7 of 5 times g minus log base 7 of 9. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to break this out with the product property using addition. Log base 7 of 5 plus log base 7 of g minus log base 7 of 9. Okay, so that's a g there. Number 6, log base 3, that's not a 3. Log base 3 of m to the 4th times n. All right, got a couple things going on. I've got the 4th power. I'm going to make that a little smaller. Let me just rewrite the whole thing. Log base 3 of m to the 4th n. So what do I have going on? A power. What else do I have going on? I have a product going on. All right, so first we're going to do the product. The product means we expand by addition. So we get log base 3 of m to the 4th plus log base 3 of n. Now I'm going to take this power and I'm going to put it out in front. So I get 4 times log base 3 of m plus log base 3 of n. And these aren't exponents on there. Remember, this is the little base, and then that's the value. Okay, that's it. So we learned today how to use these properties to expand and condense. Your homework assignment is posted, so feel free to start on that. And as always, please reach out to me if you have any questions.